In this video, we'll learn how to use views to create reports and visualizations that can be shared with others for streamlined reporting and collaboration. In Logica, views are used to display model data. The main components of a view include the elements we reviewed on the last video: the table, the chart, the canvas, the formula bar, and the right side panel. We worked only in the view that was named income statement in the last video. This template includes several other views that are already set up, such as a balance sheet and a cash flow statement. To create a new view, I can easily duplicate an existing view from the view settings. Let's say I want to set up a quarterly P&L report for the current fiscal year. I'll click on the view settings, find the income statement view that's already set up, and click the duplicate button. I'll rename the view accordingly. This does not create two copies of the data, just the presentation layer. And any updates made to inputs or historical data will update all the affected views automatically. If I switch to the new view, this can now be customized without affecting the original view. Each view can be customized in two primary ways. One is the time dimension, which is displayed in columns. Each view can be customized to show data over time. In this particular view, 2 years of data are currently visible in the table, both in months and years. Now, to adjust this view to show quarters and years, I'll click on the table settings icon. Then I can switch the start or end dates, check the quarters, and uncheck months. Logica handles all the time aggregation for me and even protects the values that are calculated by Logica, which helps minimize unintended errors. The second way views can be customized is what data is displayed in the rows. I can see this more easily from the canvas. If I show the canvas and I select the income statement group, I can see on the right side panel that this entire group with all of the nodes inside of it are pinned to two different views, income statement and income statement by quarter. If I click on income statement, I'm taken back to the original view that has months and years. If I click income statement by quarter, I'm taken to the new view I just switched to have quarters displayed. If I show the canvas again, I can actually select the balance sheet, and I can see that this particular group called balance sheet is pinned to a view called balance sheet. The concept here is reusability. I can set up the same basic data and calculations and use it in many different views without creating extra references or formulas that can break. Now that my view is set up, I'm ready to share it with other people.